Metalmeccanica Rossi is a family-owned industrial machinery manufacturer established in Italy in the 1970s. In the early days, we mainly manufactured storage silos. Then, over the decades, we expanded the production, developing equipment for storage and mixing of bulk materials in powder and granular forms, now offering vertical and horizontal mixers, vibrating screens, silos, conveyors, and other components of materials processing industrial systems. Decades of experience allowed us to accumulate deep knowledge of the chemical, physical, and mechanical properties of the materials used in recycling, plastics, chemistry, food, and pet food industries, among others. Long-term specialisation in design and production of materials processing equipment ensures our ability to provide our customers with unique machinery of the highest quality level, offering reliable, efficient, safe, and highly productive machines equipped with the latest technologies. We are a dedicated manufacturer of industrial mixers for homogeneous blending and storage of granular materials, including regrind, flakes, master batches, and powders. We design and produce all three main mixer types: vertical, horizontal, and drum mixers. Each design has its advantages, and depending on your specific requirements, our expert team will create a perfect mixer for your needs. Vertical mixers with a large diameter vertical mixing screw are well suited for applications with shorter mixing times. Horizontal mixers feature a double helical ribbon agitator that ensures best homogeneous blending and are ideal for fast and best blending of products having very different physical properties and specific weights. Drum mixers stir the processed materials, typically in powder form, inside the drum, creating a perfectly uniform mix. Our mixers can be made from carbon or stainless steel. Typically, we use 304 or 316 grades and are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. They are available in different sizes and capacities, from 500 to 150,000 litres upon request. We can also equip your mixer with various accessories, including weighting systems, loading pipes, hoppers, and so on. Our company is also specialising in production of industrial vibrating screens, which are commonly used for sieving, cooling, and conveying granular and milled materials. These machines offer an efficient way for separation and sorting applications and can work with different materials by adjusting the screen size. Material is conveyed by horizontal and vertical movements of the machine and sieved through the screen, suspended on springs to maximise the vibration effect. We can customise the size and capacity of the screen according to your requirements. Made from high-quality stainless steel, our machines will reliably serve you for years to come. All our products are designed by highly experienced in-house specialists, and each machine is tailor-made according to the customer specifications. To ensure the highest quality and reliability, we take care of the whole production process, from engineering to manufacturing, using cutting-edge technology and equipment. Besides in-house quality control and testing, our products are also certified according to International EN ISO 1090-1 standard for aluminium or steel construction components. Contact us and we will be happy to produce a perfect machine for you.